homework. Like I said, I started videotaping this. This wants it in slope-intercept form, so you need to solve it to get to slope-intercept form, and that's by minusing 8x and then dividing by 4, and you get that slope-intercept form. So this way you can do D to identify the rate of change, which is, in this case, the rate of change here is -2. It's always next to x. So for D, the rate of change is -2 right there. Okay, and then for this one to graph, it's best to use the x and y intercept. So you use the standard form, the original equation they gave you, and solve for the x-intercept, which is 12, 0 here, right? And the y-intercept is 4y equals to 96, so divide by 4, and y is 24. The y-intercept is 0, 24. Just like here. Here is, right there is your y-intercept, and that's 0, 24, right? So when you graph this, x is Michael's hours. X is Michael's hours. X belonged to Michael. And y is Mark's hours. And then Michael hours, x is 12. So you find 12 here. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That's Michael hours. Now, Mark, you have to count by 2 because it's 24, and this only has 20, so you have to count by 2s. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24 right there. It's Mark's hours, and then you graph that. That's sketching a graph really fast. Okay? And then most class we finish this, or most students already know how to do this. This is the invisible 1 right here. This is a review, invisible 1. So down 1, right 2, down 1, over 2 like that. So you need to know how to graph this. Okay, and if there's nothing here, we start at +0 right there. That's why we start at the origin there, 0, 0. That's your graph, and then you graph this additive inverse, -5, which is right here, and your rate of change is up 2, right 1, or your slope, up 2, right 1, so up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1. Go the other way, graph that, okay? And then this is one solution because it meets one time. You can write the two lines meet one time at, or you can use the word one solution at. So let's graph this one at 4. The y-intercept is at 4. The rate of change slope is down 2 over 1. Graph that, down 2 over 1. Okay, and graph it the other way. And then you got your lines. And then the other one, the y-intercept is -3, which is right here, up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3. Oh, we see our solution. We don't need any more points. The solution is the two lines meet at, you can write that, or you can just say one solution at 3 to -2. That's this point right here. That's the solution. Okay, we did this in class. Okay, now letter C, let's we have cost and income. Cost here for the lemonade is $10 and 10 cents per cup. X is the number of cups, 10 per cups. And you plan to sell it for $1 a cup. Sell is an income, so $1 a cup is, this is in cent, so $1 for each cup, so 1x. So y equals that, or 100 pennies. So you set the equation up. This is the equation you're using. 10 plus 0.10 equals to this here, 1x. Put an x there. And then here you put y equals, because it's an equation and we know y is the dollar amount. Okay, so you solve that by subtracting 0.1x, 0.1x. So you get 0.9x equals to 10, divide by 0.9. You get 0.9. Yeah, I think you get 90. Let's see. 10 divided by 0.9 equals to actually 11.11. How many cups must you sell? So 12 cups. You can't have a portion of a cup. So 12 cups. Okay, so try this on your own. Again, the school dance, this is a cost. Cost is $200 plus $3 per means time, X per print. So $5 a print. So your committee plans to charge $5. So charge, they're making money. We call that income. 5x. Set it equal to each other. So you get 200 plus 3x equals to 5x. Remember, this is an equation, so it's y equal, okay? You get that, and you minus 3x, 0 here, 200 equals to 2x, divide by 2, x equals to 100, and x is print, the number of prints. Okay, I was going to have you do on your own, but I did it. Okay, we did this in class. Now for the class that I didn't have time, put in your cost for 0 and 40, and then you graph that line. Okay, and you did income, and then we divide this by 20 because we get 5, so we know to count this all by 5. And then the highest dollar amount is 800, so we divide right here 800 by 20. There's 20 boxes. We get count by 40. We can count by 40. Notice we count by 40 here, up, and then we graph them and label. It's important to label your cost and income line, and then answer the questions like that. I hope this helps. Okay?